How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Monzo customer service. So go on ahead and open the app, and in the bottom right, you'll see a help with a question mark. Press on that. And then from here, tap on the search bar, and then type in support chat, and that'll bring up the help articles. You want to press on the one that says contacting support, and then you'll see the blue highlighted text top here to get started, and then it'll bring up this menu where they ask what they can help you with. You want to select a transaction or payment, then no, and then from here scroll down to the bottom and press I need to chat with someone, and here it'll ask you to describe your problem. Press next, and then at the very bottom you'll see it says launch chat. So that's how to contact Monzo customer service.